Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually make $20 an hour just by typing online. But if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So this is something that you want to go ahead and master. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. The way that I'm going to teach you right now require you to do the job. But if you want to know my number one recommendation and you're looking for a way in which you can actually make passive income, I'm not going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Now let me go back to the topic. As I told you before, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually make $20 per hour just by typing online. The very first website that I'm going to teach you or that I'm going to show you is Quicktape. It's going to be quicktape.com, and in this website you're going to be doing transcriptions. Okay, you're going to be doing transcriptions. So here, for example, you're going to be transcribes voice messages, memos, letters, legal files, medical files, recording of phone calls, conference calls, and other audio files. Something really important is that this is going to be a worldwide opportunity, so it doesn't matter where you're from, you are going to be able to develop, and you need to take into consideration, and as mentioned before, that this is going to be time consuming. Okay, the files or the audios can be uh, the, as shorter as 5 minutes, so you have to take that into consideration. Here I'm some example of what you are going to be transcribing, like to-do lists, as I mentioned, legal notes, files notes, general reports, medical reports, veterinary reports, letter and memos, insurance matters, voicemail messages, filling up forms by IPI, authors, writers, or novelists. So you need to take that into consideration, that yes, you're going to be exchanging your time for the money. But if you, for example, are unemployed right now, or you're looking, hey, I have some time off, I really want to take action, maybe a couple of hours at night, this is a great opportunity. Another website that I want to show you, it's going to be Scribe. I'm not 100% sure it's down how you pronounce. It's going to be scribe.com. Here you say it's audio transcription and perfective. Why I'm showing you this? Because again, as the other one, as quicktape.com, this is a worldwide opportunity. I was searching for other websites, but I know my audience is going to be worldwide, but there are other websites that you can look around as well if you want just to have US opportunities and Canada's opportunity. Okay, the rates start at $10, or sorry, 10 cents per minute. Okay, this is the rate that you're gonna start. The system is pretty easy. The customer is gonna upload the file that they want to transcribe, and they are gonna pay whenever it's ready. The payment here on the system is gonna be through PayPal. It's just PayPal. Okay, so there is no other way in which you can actually make money. This is what they suggest people to go with, that is going to be 10 cents per minute, and the minimum is going to be $1. And they, well, if you are a customer, they guarantee that it's going to be a 90% of accuracy. Okay, there's going to be a 90% of accuracy. Here are the steps. The customer is going to upload the file, then we're going to review it, there's going to be a proofreading, and then they're going to deliver. So really easy, really simple. Again, if you want to use this website, scribe.com, the only way it's that you're going to be getting paid through PayPal. So you need to be a verified user. Also here it's really convenient because this is a home-based job. There is no actual obligation or monthly commitment, okay, or withdrawal limits. If you just make $20, $5, that's it, you can withdraw it. Here they have, for example, that you can make anything between $5 to $25 per hour. This is US dollars. Okay, they tell us like they do have a tool that is really nice, which is a free automated transcript that is going to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So again, if you have some time off and you want to do some extra money online, this is a way to go. It can be with this one, scribe.com and quicktape.com. Both of them are really good opportunities, and again, these are worldwide opportunities. But again, if you really want to make good money online, I mean passive income, if you want to know my number one recommendation, I'm gonna leave a link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. Well, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you find some golden nuggets here, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.